what you wear in a typical lab. Goggles, gloves, and a lab apron. Oh, and long sleeves. And you would tie up your hair if it's long enough.
I'm going to do a lab on evidence of a chemical change. So here's the materials that we'll need today. We need a lot of materials. Without those materials, we can't do anything.
A ruler, a hot plate, 1 mole of copper 2 nitrate, 100 milliliter beaker, 1 mole of NaOH, a mole of HCl, 12 centimeters of aluminum foil, test tube rack, a test tube, and a glass steering rod.
Place 50 milliliters of water into the 100 milliliter beaker and heat it until boiling. This will be the water bath you will use in step 5.
Yeah. While the water bath is heating, use the lab marker and ruler to make 3 marks on the test tube that are 1 centimeter apart. Make the marks starting at the bottom of the test tube and moving towards the top. Add 1 mole copper 2 nitrate at the first mark on the test tube as shown. Add 1 mole sodium hydroxide up to the second mark on the test tube. Caution: sodium hydroxide is corrosive. Be certain to wear safety goggles and a lab apron. Mix the solutions with the stirring rod. Rinse the stirring rod thoroughly before setting it down on the lab table. Touch the bottom of the outside of the test tube to see if heat has been released. The copper-containing product in the test tube is copper 2 hydroxide. The other product is sodium nitrate.
Okay, you wanna mix it?
Into the water bath you prepared in step 1. Heat it until no more changes occur. The product of this reaction are copper 2 oxide and water. Record the changes that occur in the test tube that you see.
Remove the test tube from the hot water bath. Turn off the burner. Cool the test tube and its contents for 2 minutes in room temperature water. Add 1 mole of hydrochloric acid to the third mark, as shown. Hydrochloric acid is corrosive. Be certain to wear safety goggles and a lab apron. Avoid contact with skin and eyes. Avoid breathing vapors. If any of the solution should spill on you, immediately flush the area with water and then notify your teacher. Mix with the stirring rod. Rinse the stirring rod. The new products of copper 2 chloride and water. Place a 12 centimeter piece of aluminum wire in the test tube. Leave it until no reaction is observed. Touch the bottom of the test tube to check for temperature change. 2 reactions take place. Copper 2 chloride and aluminum produce copper and aluminum chloride. The aluminum also reacts with the hydrochloric acid to form hydrogen and aluminum chloride.